Today's start for the day is, we are not given a good life or a bad life. We are given a life. It is up to us to make it good or bad. I repeat, we are not given a good life or a bad life. We are given a life. It is up to us to make it good or bad. It means some people may say that they have not given a good life, but actually everyone have same life. Making good or bad depends on their attitude, behavior and hard work. This is today's start for the day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. Have a nice